Hello, welcome to CEN 4801, Creating an Architecture. This lecture or this session will be dedicated for the project assignment number 2. First of all, we need to talk about selecting a software package. You can select any software package of your choice to create the architecture. There are many drawing softwares out there, or software packages that you can download for free or even use it online on the cloud for free. We have also some that will be provided by the college for free, such as Visio. So you can either download that or you can use the online. It's fine with me, whatever package you choose. At the end, I would like you to learn how to create the architecture. It doesn't matter what kind of software or tool you used. In the project assignment number 2, it's a continuation for the first project assignment. Basically what we did at the beginning, the first assignment, we were identifying the educational elements or subsystems that we are going to work with. To develop the architecture, let's assume the following elements, and I updated the assignment to reflect that, so it has those elements. So you have students, registration, advising, finance, scheduling, student records, curriculum programs, buildings, faculty, human resources, information technology, and administration. And what I'm trying to do as broad as possible with those subsystems or elements. Because I know that if I go to buildings, the building has classrooms, has labs. In the lab we have machine equipment, so we can go as deep as possible with those subsystems, but we're not. We're trying to stay with a high level, and if you need to add more to the architecture, you can do that later on, or once you get a job, you understand the concept and you know how to do it. An example of a high-level interaction, students will be advised to register for a class under a program. So the courses will be under a program. They will register for that class based on the advisor, and that will be scheduled in a classroom in a building, will be assigned to a faculty, and so on. You know the interaction that you have in your school. So it's something that you are familiar with, and you can recognize all these interactions. Then you need to identify additional interactions based on the provided elements above. So whatever interactions you can recognize, you have to add them to the architecture. And usually, I will show you, but usually we add those interactions as a text on the line that connects the two systems. So some of the software packages available, we have Lucidchart. Lucidchart is a free software. It will allow you for limited architectures, but it has the basic, and with the basic you can just bring the components that you would like and name them as you need. Just the basic, you can do it, which is the same as Visio. So whether you are using Visio or this, you have to drag and drop and create your own architecture. Again, there are templates and ready architectures, but you will not find someone for education. Okay, so this one, the Lucidchart, you have to sign up for free, register under education as a student, then start the program. They will ask you, are you doing that for business? Are you doing it for education? Are you doing it for any other personal issues? And they will ask you for which purpose are you using this software. The software has templates on the side, on the left menu. So you select templates, and from there you can write in the search the word architecture, and it can show you all the architectures. You can see that I wrote the word architecture here, and those are the list of architectures. Now some of them is under premium. When it says premium, that means that you have to pay for the version. I don't want you to do that, so forget about that. Just use whatever available for free. And this is just to give you an example, but you go to basic chart, and you can drag and drop the shapes that you would like to add in your architecture. So you will see many samples of templates, but maybe the one that you need is not there. Let me show you, for example, computer network architecture. It's there, it's ready for you. So you can just select that, as I did. As you can see it here, it's for free. It's not under premium, it's under basic. So you can select that, and once you select it, you can edit, you can add. If you need to add more elements, you can do as needed. So you can modify the computer network architecture by adding additional elements and components. You can add internal computer devices, as here. You can add routers, switches, you can add servers, additional server, or maybe more firewalls than the 3 that we have here. They have a trap here for hackers, honeypot. So you can add another one on the other side. Whatever you like, you can do, but this is the architecture that you see. Another software that you can use is Edraw Max, and I like this one because this one has a template ready, and it has 7 days free trial, so you can download, install, sign up for free, and then register to start. You can just click on start and it will start the program once you download it on your machine. 7 days trial. Do the assignment if you want and then uninstall it. You don't need it anymore, just for this assignment. And again, what I like for this one, that it has the architecture built in. So when you click on business, you can select enterprise architecture, and it will show you all the enterprise architectures that you are looking for. You start building your architecture based on the provided elements that I gave you. Add the interaction, add external environment systems, add interaction between the educational system and the external factors or external systems, and you will be done. It's something that should be done fast. This is an example on the enterprise architecture that you can select. So you can select one of them and it will show you what kind of interaction. So you can add the wording here, and that will be basically your architecture. Systems, subsystems, and the environment surrounding that system. As you can see, the architecture, mostly the elements will include people, will include hardware, facilities, material, will include procedures and policies. Whatever we learned in the first session, you need to include here, and you need to show it, and you need to show the interaction. And that is how you create an architecture. If you still have questions, please let me know. That will be all. Thank you and have a great day.